Okay, so this is the 3700 Pro, and I'm just going to run through all of the functions to make sure that it's working. So hit the quick start key, that'll get it firing up, just very basic. Program key to the left, we'll cycle through all the programs. I'll bring it back to manual at the beginning. I skipped over it. There you go, there's manual, enter. Up and down arrow keys work. This is for the level tension that you want. I'm just going to go low here. Time, up and down, level, and these keys here. So 2, 3. That's going to get really heavy for tension for a second. Clear that one. Put it at level 3. Enter. 4. Enter. Level 5. Enter. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. So those are all the keys working. The X mode, those are the different workouts each time. And clear it for pause works. You do the cool down if you want to do that. 2-minute cool down. Display lock will just lock everything in, so you're just seeing what it looks like. Fan, so that's on the low. You can just barely hear it and feel it. One more time, medium, a little bit louder. And on high, you can hear it a little bit more, putting a little bit more output on it. So it's all working. That's it.